fully glass yacht, and it flies. Come over here. It's also designed by BMW. Come on in. Check this out. Come look. This is your interior. And you've got the chrome accented seats here. Chrome with the LED light features, and you get a 360-degree view outside the boat, also up here with the skylight. Now around here, this is your lounge room. You can actually have different configurations. Watch this. Prime seat. How nice is this? Now over here, open these for some fresh air. Down here, come check this out. You've got a radar, and that's one of your wings. You see that? We're gonna fly this. Now this radar actually automatically calculates the height of the waves and flies above it. See this? On. Now, it's silent because this is a fully electric yacht. Look, there are your batteries. Now over here, we're gonna start driving. Look at this. If I go right, woohoo! We're about to fly, ready? Okay. Whoa, see how rocky it is? That's gonna end in a minute. Here we go. We got to get up to 18 knots. Up here, look this. Here we go, here we go. At 18, we start to fly. Are you ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, we're up, we're flying. And look at this. Look how stable it is. You're not rocking at all. It's crazy because you don't have the waves crashing into the boat and sending it up and down. What do you think?